Hello, you're watching Proactive London. Joining me from Miami from the Disruptive Bitcoin Conference is Francesco Gardin. Francesco, very good to see you today.
Great to see you too.
Great. And how's that conference going?
It's very, very interesting. All the players that we want to talk to and we have already engaged with and we were planning to engage are here. And so it's very, very productive and it's meeting after meeting. And of course, our technology is so different from any other technology here where they basically focus on cooling system, on faster ASICs because of a smaller scale. And we are really one of a kind here. So it's very rewarding to be here and everybody is very, very interested in our technology.
So, Francesco, in the meantime, you have released your final results for 2023, and there was a very big focus on research and development in 2023 at three specific areas. So, developing AI, quantum computing, and also that special architecture for ASICs. Take us through some of the highlights of 2023.
Yeah, I mean, basically, we are in 2024 continuing all these streams of research. And actually, we are adding a couple of new teams, which we haven't announced. And as soon as this is finalized, we will announce them. So we keep on track because we are very confident that our technology is different. It's proven results in the lab. It's a little bit longer than we expect to have this result in this very strange chips which are in the market, but we are making progress every day.
I mean, what are the targets for 2024? What would you expect to achieve in this year?
Okay, so given the wealth of know-how that we have accumulated, we announced last year that we were heading for revenues this year. We still haven't announced the opposite. Of course, in the accounts, one has to be extremely prudent, and any word has to be agreed with the auditors. So while we have to be extremely prudent in the word in our accounts, we still haven't announced that we will not generate revenue this year. So I want to just make very clear that with all the contacts we have, with all the discussion we have, with the development of our technology going out from the lab into products to be products, we still are on track for this goal.
Okay, and so I mean, a number of objectives for the year. So revenue aside, I mean, you really do want to disrupt Bitcoin mining. Tell us how you aim to do that.
Well, simply because we apply AI to mining, and we apply AI to optimize the core algorithm of Bitcoin mining, which is SHA-256. And we have at least 4 different methods which prove this. Again, one thing is the results in the lab. The other thing is in a product which works 24/7, very harsh environment where temperature go on, and the existing chip burn more frequently than an ordinary chip in a computer. And so once you deploy a product, it has to be, I wouldn't say military specs, but we're not too far from having the need to military spec because these environments are extremely huge.
Okay. Looking outside of the operational achievements that you've had and that you're aiming for, you also recently won a court case against Cyprium defendants. So making progress on that front as well.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, now all our lawyers, although we cannot disclose our strategy for collecting the 6+ million, are on the case. We have a team of lawyers in Milan who are actively working to collect as much as we can of the 6 million.
So take us through some of the milestones we should be looking ahead for the year.
Well, I mean, our milestone and the main goal is with one of these 4 methods to have a product that can be deployed, can be sold, or alternatively to have IPs or technologies which are acquired or developed or exploited jointly with one of the big players of the sector.
Well, Francesco, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress you make on those fronts. Thank you very much for speaking with us today, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much indeed. Have a great day.
And you, Francesco Gardin is the Chairman and CEO of Quantum Blockchain Technologies.